This is the CAMS morning market brief for Friday, July 24th. Futures are pointing to a modest bounce at the open this morning. S&P futures are up about a quarter percent, sitting near 7,463. Dow futures are ahead 4 tenths of a percent. The Russell is also up about 4 tenths. NASDAQ futures are nudging higher by roughly 2 tenths. Not a roaring comeback, but the market is leaning green after a rough Thursday. Yesterday was a broad pullback. The S&P 500 dropped 1.25%, the Nasdaq 100 fell nearly 2%, and the Dow shed 1%. Small caps held up relatively better, slipping just under 6 tenths. 7 of 11 sectors closed lower. Consumer discretionary bore the brunt, off more than 4.5%, and communications dropped 3.5%. On the other side, industrials and healthcare each gained more than 1%, standing out as clear defensive favorites on the session. The VIX is sitting at 18.57 this morning, down slightly from yesterday's close. That is a moderate reading, not panic territory, but the market is carrying some residual caution heading into the weekend. Looking ahead, the main event on the calendar is next week's Federal Reserve meeting. The Fed begins its two-day session on Wednesday, July 29th, with the rate decision due Thursday, July 30th. That backdrop gives the market plenty to chew on into the close today. CAMS publishes impersonal market research. Nothing here is individualized investment advice. The full written research is at curveaheadmarketstrategies.com.